Hi, I'm Vanessa Keeley from Growing Gardens, and I'm going to tell you about our project that we're asking for with rainwater harvesting. Currently our barn and office building here has only a tiny gutter in the very middle of it, so a lot of the rainwater that's coming off of this building is currently being wasted onto the side of the building where we're just growing weeds right now. What we'd like to do with this project is to extend the gutter all the way down to this corner of the building, and then into this space, we would be installing rocks and diverting the rainwater all through this space, curling around. It would come all the way around to water both of these trees. This area is already in native plants, and we would be adding a few more keystone pollinator species. Some of those specifically are perennial sunflower and goldenrod, blanket flower, and blue flax. And then we have existing cherry trees and a hawthorn tree, which we would be watering. This area is shrubs that are regionally adapted. These are our currants, and we have these little delicious berries that we harvest for our farm stand each week. So that would also be part of the project. The second area of our project would be on the west side of our barn here. You can see we have a small gutter that already harvests rainwater to this patch of perennial sunflowers and our apple tree. The project would allow us to extend the diversion ditch for the rainwater a lot longer on the side of the building, going all the way down to this third tree, which, as you can see, gets way less water than this first tree. So we'd be excited to bring the ditch all the way down underground with rocks, and then we'd be planting more of the native sunflower and the keystone species that attract pollinators, and we would be relying less on water from other sources to be watering this area. And the last part of our project will be diverting the rainwater on this side, the south side, southeast side of the building. We will be bringing the gutter system all the way down along this edge of the building and coming down off the corner here. As with the other part, you can see that over here it's just watering weeds on the side of the building. And what we will be doing here is installing a demonstration garden for harvesting rainwater, where we have educational signage off this corner. So it would be sort of maybe a 10-foot footprint here that would be really central to a lot of our community events, so accessible by most of the 25,000 people that visit this farm each year. We'll be able to see how we're harvesting rainwater and diverting it and using it in our climate resilient